India is building faster than ever. From cities to emerging towns, from homes to institutions. Every strong foundation begins with a vision. The vision of a leader who believed that tile installation in India could be smarter, stronger, and future-ready. From an idea to a blueprint to a nationwide manufacturing ecosystem, this journey is built on thought, intent, and uncompromising commitment.
Kajaria has been leading India's tile story for over 3 decades now. We've seen how tiles have evolved. With that evolution came a need for something equally advanced beneath the surface. That's how Gresbond was born.
Gresbond is powered by a strong pan-India manufacturing network. 2 state-of-the-art Gresbond plants, supported by 22 trusted partner facilities, all operating under verified formulations and strict quality checks. Backed by Kajaria's legacy distribution strength, with over 1,800 trusted dealer partners, Gresbond ensures seamless availability across metros, Tier 1, Tier 2 and emerging markets. But brands don't grow alone, people do. Across India, over 2 lakh masons grow with Gresbond through structured training and on-ground learning. Because stronger skills build stronger structures. Behind every reliable product is rigorous science. Each formulation is tested for adhesion strength, slip resistance, water immersion, heat aging, and real-world performance. Certified by Green Rating for Integrated Habitat Assessment, GRIHA, BIS, ISI mark, and trusted by leading government and private institutions, Gresbond meets national standards and real-world demands. Through active engagement with architects and specifiers, Gresbond supports modern architecture with certified trusted solutions. Across 23 premium experience centers, innovation comes closer to people. Beyond structures, Gresbond invests in futures. Through tomorrow's India, we contribute to building not just infrastructure, but lives. From strong in-store visibility and dedicated Gresbond zones to consistent branding across plants, showrooms and experience centers across India. From award-winning campaigns like Gresbond se lagaya hota to the Gresbond brand anthem, industry-first content, airport visibility and tile-laying tools, Gresbond continues to lead with innovation. Because buildings don't rise on materials alone. They rise on trust, on intent, on a bond that lasts. Gresbond, the foundation of tomorrow.
Gresbond Premium Tile Adhesive.
By Kajaria.